And there's trade-offs to everything that you do. That's one of the trade-offs. Could we have more revenue in our 40 laundromats if we offered wash, dry, fold and pick up and delivery? Possibly, but there's a trade-off. We'd have probably 2 or 3 times the amount of staff members, which would be a lot more to manage. Who enjoys managing all their staff? Anybody? He likes it. How many you got?
22.
Oh, wow.
Okay. All right.
Wow.
That's great.
That is great.
Yeah. So one thing for us is utilizing our resources. So we live in this world. Everything is finite. Cash, people, knowledge, space, those types of things have to be utilized to achieve your goal. Your goal may be to be as profitable as you can be. It may be to provide you with a lifestyle that you're looking for. Your specific goal should be written out, and you should know exactly what it is. Because if you're not aiming for something, you're just out there wandering, trying to run a laundry service company. And so I would encourage you to write down what are your top 3 goals in this business. And if your business model does not currently align with those goals, have a little introspection and think about, how do I reshape what I am doing? Step outside of yourself. Reshape what I'm doing to achieve the goals that I've set for myself.